Welcome to 38 Farmers Avenue, a stunning 4-bedroom end-unit townhome with 4 washrooms situated within a great family-minded neighbourhood of Central West Ajax. A garden bed lush with rose bushes is set against an interlocking front walkway to a glass-enclosed entrance which has space for a 3-season sitting area protected from the elements. And through the front door is a main level showcasing principal rooms with a great open theme flow and all exuding a warm and inviting aura. High quality laminate flooring flows throughout most of this level, and just off the reception area are the elegantly combined living and dining rooms. The rich yet neutral grey color palette pairs beautifully with the flooring, while enhancing the modern sophistication of these entertaining spaces is the geometric pattern of a papered accent wall in the dining area. Pot lighting also brightens these rooms, while corner windows in the living room allow for natural lighting. The foyer has ceramic flooring. Off the hall is a mirrored door coat closet and a powder room also with ceramic flooring as well as a pedestal sink, and the hall leads into a family room that is as equally elegant as the formal entertaining areas. This lovely gathering space features a contemporary pendant light fixture and a large north-facing window for soft, diffuse natural light, and is fully open to the absolutely stunning custom kitchen. Showcasing dark cabinetry with a pantry area, 2 glass-paneled upper cabinets with accent lighting, and undermount lighting that highlights a stone backsplash tiled in a herringbone design, this incredible work area additionally features stainless steel appliances including a French door fridge with bottom mount freezer, oven with smooth surface cooktop and a dishwasher, stone countertops, a large center island with a double wide stainless steel undermount sink and breakfast seating, pendant and pot lighting, as well as a tiled floor. The sliding door walkout from here opens to a fully fenced backyard with a patio ideal for a barbecue, and which also has wonderful potential for transformation into a personalized outdoor space. To the upper level is a dark-stained hardwood staircase and railing with painted white spindles, and along its wall are dark-stained picture frame trims, each papered with the same geometric pattern seen in the dining room. This level showcases high-quality laminate flooring, contemporary light fixtures, and a neutral color palette throughout, 4 bedrooms, and 2 washrooms, with the main 4-piece washroom showcasing upgraded polished floor tiles, a bath and shower area with sliding glass shower doors, and the same polished tiles as the floor accented with a glass border, as well as a contemporary vanity with stone counter and undermount basin. The 4th bedroom features a walk-in closet and crown moldings. The 3rd bedroom has a double closet, and both of these bedrooms have good-sized north-facing windows overlooking the backyard. While the cozy 2nd bedroom has a double closet with mirrored doors, crown moldings, as well as a bright south-facing exposure, and is also ideal as a nursery or toddler's room with its adjacency to the master suite. The master suite is quite generous in its size, has windows with south and west facing exposures, as well as ample space for both a sitting area by the windows and for a media area at the north end of the room. Also featuring a modern ceiling fan and a very spacious walk-in closet, its ensuite washroom has been luxuriously appointed, showcasing an upgraded tiled floor, a glass shower with a stone-top shower seat, a stone floor, a rainfall shower head, and polished wall tiles accented with a mosaic border, as well as a vanity with a stone counter and undermount basin. The lower level is fully developed and showcases laminate flooring and pot lighting in a huge open-concept recreation area with a live edge shelf above a fireplace, offers lots of storage, and also features a laundry room with washer, dryer, a modern sink, cabinetry storage, and a folding counter, as well as a two-piece washroom with a contemporary vanity, and with both of these spaces finished with upgraded polished floor tiles. A short walk to Alexander Graham Bell Public and St. Patrick Catholic Elementary Schools, and within the catchment area of Cataraqui Public, Pickering High, and Notre Dame Secondary Schools, all which have French immersion programs. This home is also a short walk to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village, and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Centre Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401. And Ajax's beautiful waterfront park, with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario, is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.